Well, different types of cryptocurrencies or crypto assets. I like to call them digital assets. That's what the SEC uses. But there's different types. There are some that are used for payment and exchange, like currency. Some for security, store of value. There's ownership, promise of future cash flows. I mentioned security tokens before. Might have one that has a revenue stream, so that's common. There's some that represent asset-backed tokens, so real estate assets or the like. And then there's utility, probably familiar with utility tokens, which were the source of a lot of the ICO activity in 2017. Utility, access to specific products, services, or protocols, and then these can also be combined. A lot of the utility tokens also had a security part of it.